Hello folks, how are you all? Just had a delivery. Let's go have a look. That's what this channel's pretty much turned into now, isn't it? Just me getting parcels. That is our new mattress. Oh, is it, Bob? What is it? I'm starting to get some mega backache on my one, and it's gone mouldy, so no Bobski, come on. Up. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's rock solid. Punch bag. Oh, wow. Oh, I can hear the air going into it. Oh, it's growing. It's growing.
Wow.
Alright folks, yet again van is trashed. Means a job is happening. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to pull this thing out, it's the old mattress. But we had a problem with damp, as you can see. That's all, yeah. So that stemmed from obviously the cold garage. It's just, that's why I've bought the thing for the heater as well, to try and combat that. But what I need to do is when I get this mattress out, I'm going to drill a load of holes in that bedboard. Because obviously having the flat board, there's no ventilation under the mattress, and that's why that's happened. So yeah, I'll try and get this bugger out now. God, that's really bad. Can't believe I was bloody sleeping on this. I mean, it's wet. It's just damp, isn't it? Obviously the cold weather, no airflow. It's just yeah, not very nice. So basically when you're building your beds, make sure you got proper ventilation in there. I mean, it's took 3 years for this to happen, but still, that is not nice at all. The mattress is horrible. State of that. It's all damp, the whole bottom. Fuck. That's horrific, that is. Alright. So you can see as well, look, the state of the roof, this is where the hatch has leaked. It's just mank. A bit around the edges as well. Hopefully now I've sealed all that up, it should be fine. But yeah, so I need to give all that a repaint. That's another job because it's just disgusting, isn't it? Right folks, so here's the latest plan. I'm going to put a whole new bed platform in because I'm definitely not putting the new mattress on this. This wood's crap anyway, and it's way too thick. It's like 12mm OSB or 11mm, whatever it is. So it's supported by these horizontal beams. So all I'm going to do, get the multi-tool out, cut down the side there, I'm going to unscrew it all, because I think this bit goes across to there as well, if I remember. And just take the whole thing out and put new bits in, because that'll take ages to dry out and it's not very good anyway. I think that is the best thing to do at this stage, to be honest. But I'll try and source some plywood now. I'm probably going to use as thin as I can. I might be able to get away with 6mm because the struts are quite close together. It doesn't need to be that structural, so I'll probably get away with 6mm, which will obviously help with the weight. Every little helps, don't it? So yeah, I shouldn't have used this wood in the first place. I've used this all over the place. This is on the whole floor of the van, but at the time when I was building it, it was cheaper to get this, so that's why I went with it. But in hindsight, should have gone with some good plywood that was, you know, half the thickness, because it would have weighed a lot less. But no, well, it is what it is. Right, time to make a mess.
It's quite big up there.
Lots of space for activities.
I don't like these because they obstruct my view.
Cool. Oh, you
There you
bastard.
go.
Right folks, this is where we're at. I'm giving up for today. Because I've got the wood. When I haven't got the wood to do it, obviously it's not going like that, but I need to figure out the ventilation situation. So we'll leave it for today and carry on tomorrow. Need to figure out how to do it properly. I'll get there though. Alright folks, been a busy morning. This is where we're at. I've got the wood down. It's now got holes in it for ventilation. That's the idea anyway. So I'm just finishing this off. And then what I'm going to do, I've got some of this laminate flooring underlay. So I'm going to lay probably a couple of layers of that on there and bring it up the side a bit as well, around the back here, just to stop anything making contact with the wood. And I've also bought a waterproof mattress cover as well, so obviously we're going to stick that on the mattress and hopefully, fingers crossed, that's going to do it. Only time will tell, I guess, but it's worth a go. I can't afford to be invested. I know there's products that you can buy, like the mats that go under with all the mesh and stuff, but they're bloody dear. I can't afford that stuff. So yeah, we'll have to try this and see how we get on. Really, should be better than it is. So obviously I got the holes, and I'm gonna put some of my insulation that I use, the Thinsulate stuff, underneath. Because it's breathable, so the air will still be able to pass, but it should offer a bit more, it should make it a bit better. So yeah, let's get this cleared up. Alright folks, this is where we're at now. Ready to start getting the mattress in. So I put the holes in the sheet, and obviously this sheet just stops it directly touching the wood. I've got 2 layers of this stuff, so hopefully that's going to sort it. I've only put holes at that far end because that was where the problem was. This was all dry down here. So. Right, that's the mattress on. That was a ball ache. I had to trim about that much off the edge. It's turned out alright. So, it's dirty now. What I need to do now is this corner. So I shall show you how to do that now. So I got my mark on it just there. I just eyeballed it basically. As I cut it, there's lots of different ways. My favourite way is just get yourself a razor sharp, good long knife with a thin blade, and it will go through this stuff like butter. If you want to work in long cuts like this, and just go back to where you started and go again. You just sort of peel it apart a little bit as you cut, just gently, and that helps the knife go down. Just through that back edge now. You see that back edge got a little bit shit because it's so close to the wall, but the finish ain't bad. And you get a straight cut. So, oh, look at that, beautiful new mattress. Marie's come back with the waterproof sheet thing.
And more importantly,
plastic
pizza.
So, get this stuck on there.